What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a text-based programming language used both on the client side and server side that allows you to make web pages interactive. How do you make web pages interactive? You use a JavaScript. JavaScript has been one of the popular languages, and we say the server side and the client side. On the server side, we use Node. Node was written by Rendell in 2009. It was because of the need of the JavaScript to run on the server side that made that Rion put a C++ code, took a JavaScript code and embedded into a C++, and we have a Node as a back end. So C++ plus JavaScript is a back end, which is a Node. Most popular technologies today, the most popular technologies in the world today is JavaScript. JavaScript is in high demand, very, very demand. Most popular companies are using JavaScript. The Stack Overflow rated JavaScript to be 64.96%. That means it's the highest. HTML, CSS, Python, SQL, and Java both came second, third, and last. So JavaScript is the most populous language because it's a scripting language, the language that runs on the browser and also on the back end using the Node.js. JavaScript developers average earners earn $75,000 a year, which means if you're a JavaScript developer, you are sure of a job. If you're a JavaScript developers, we have front-end developers, we have back-end developers, we also have full-stack developers as well. The front-end developers work for the client side, and the back-end developers work on the server side, which is Node they uses. Then we also have the full-stack, which combines the front-end and the back-end. JavaScript is used mostly today on the following: web/mobile application, real-time networking apps, command line tool, and games. JavaScript code runs on browsers, which is the JavaScript engine, the Firefox, the Chrome. We are going to use an example of a Chrome now to see how does a JavaScript run on a Chrome. JavaScript versus ECMAScript. JavaScript is a scripting programming language, whereas ECMAScript is a specification, it's a standard. ECMAScript is a European Computer Manufacturer Association. European Computer Manufacturer Association. It is a standard for scripting languages like Java. The first release was done in 1997, followed by 2015, 2016, and we even have ECMAScript 2022. Let's do a little bit coding because we have spoken much. Here is my browser. Here is my Google Chrome. So here in the Google Chrome, we can use a JavaScript by going to the console. We right click on the Google Chrome, anywhere in the Google Chrome, and click inspect. You click inspect. Here it opens on my side. So now on this, we have the element, we have the console. So we're going to, because we write it on the console, we click at my console, then we write console.log. Hello world has been around for a very long time now. You put a semicolon and press enter. It gives you hello world. You can also do some arithmetic here. 2 plus, can say 2 plus 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 equals to 6. You can also say alert how are you? How are you? Semicolon, don't forget to put that. It gives you the Windows alert. Wow, how are you? Let's do a little bit code as well using the Visual Studio Code. to show that JavaScript can do all this. Now let's also reverse the string. To reverse a string in JavaScript is one of the popular things that is very, very easy. So we reverse a string, and you write it's a function reverse a string. So here we have to reverse the string by say string dot split string dot split. You put the parentheses dot reverse. This is part what JavaScript can do using the Visual Studio Code, which is decoding the text editor. We also have other text editors like Sublime Text and Atom. So this is to reverse a string. So this is part of what JavaScript can do on this console. On this